Hello everybody, today we're gonna unbox a Nokia N79. It's an N-series phone from Nokia. Here's the box. This one is my favorite color, now in black. Nokia N-series N79. It has one pre-game from Engage, as you can see there, and 1 month of live navigation from Nokia Maps. It is provided with a 4 GB memory card, Carl Zeiss optics, nothing here. What's the cool thing about this phone? Well, Nokia is bringing the Express On covers back in circulation. Here, as you can see, different colors of back covers. You have the white, the red, chocolate brown, the gray, the green, the blue-green. It has Engage, PicBridge, Bluetooth, a Real Player, S60 phone, Java games, Java powered, Wi-Fi, UPnP, all of the necessary stuff from an N-series phone. So let's open the box and see what's in store for us. Okay, pretty cool box. Jaran! Wow, as you can see, here are the two extra covers. One is in chocolate brown and one is in bluish gray, and at the middle, the N79 black cell phone. Cool, isn't it? Let's go to that later. Inside the box, we have this charger. Pretty light charger. Very light. Okay. Some seals there. USB. You have here the, let's get this one out of the plastic. Okay. Stereo controller from Nokia. You can clip it on your dress like that. Volume controller on the side. Telephone controls, ball, track, stop, play, fast forward, next song, all of those necessary stuff are here. 3.5 mm or millimeter jack, and then this one is the headset. Pretty basic headset from Nokia, and some reading materials. Save the planet, no need this. This is OB Suite. Well, I'm gonna use this one, I think. What's this? Exclusively yours from Nokia. OB stuff here. Get started guide. Activation code. Okay. Engage. You can choose what game you like and you can activate it, right? Activate more the navigation map. Some information about setting up the email and the OB. Wow, I think I can I can do some readings about the OB. I have no idea yet what the OB is all about, but I think it can really provide me with cool stuff for my new phone. This is the user guide. Yeah. Okay. No more. Now we go back to the phone. The battery is here. Okay. It's BL6F battery. 1200 mAh. Well, pretty chunky. Yeah. I hope I can get the battery cover easily. Well, okay. I'm putting the battery right now to the phone. Well, I should insert my SIM card. Okay, right there. The battery will be put in here and back the cover. Just snap it back on there. It's okay. So before opening the phone, let's have a quick view of its physical buttons there. Numeric keypad. Shortcut to the multimedia contents of your phone, music, pictures, anything. The menu button, the D-pad. It's pretty light with the battery. Wow. Nokia there. At the right side, you can see the physical speaker, the rocker, volume controller, another speaker there, the camera, dedicated button. At the bottom you can see I think it's a microphone, or yeah, like that. The left side will be for your charging port, and this is something cool. Well, it's covered. Let's open it up. Okay. Pretty cool. 2 slots in one cover. The USB port and the memory card. Let's see. Memory card. If they stay true to their promise. It's 4 gig. Yep, I hope you can see it. 4 gig. Very cool. You can store hundreds music file here. Okay, back. On top, power button here. At the middle is the audio port jack, and then the lock button. No need to do the famous Nokia locking sequence. At the back is the camera. It's a Carl Zeiss lens, autofocus 5 megapixel camera with dual LED flash. Wow, okay, that would be cool. Actually, I'm recording this now using a Nokia 5233. So this is just a 2 megapixel camera. So I think this N17 will be a lot cooler than this resolution. Let's open it up. Tadam! The Nokia opening sequence. Of course, the handshake will come in your way very short while. Of course. Well, I'll be doing the full review of this cell phone in the coming days, so please watch my video about this review. Pretty light phone. The contents you've been looking for in a cell phone is all here. It's neat, it's very nice, you know. The black color is really attractive. Everybody looks good in black. Okay, that's my unboxing video of the Nokia N79. Hope you like it.